Alright guys, so this is going to be a short little video of me starting up the four-wheelers. Mostly I do startups on the old Chevy square body over there, but I'm just going to go ahead and, I'll do a startup on this since I'm about to go somewhere. So let me put this down for a second because I got to undo this thing. Don't mind. You can just skip the video. Not the whole video, that's not what I meant. You get what I mean. While I unlock this thing. Kind of forgot to unlock this thing before I started the video. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start this thing up. Probably going to be a cold start actually. Hold on. I'm gonna keep going. There we go, I'll put it on choke. Yeah, that's the choke right there. Put it on choke. Alright guys, so that'll be the end of that small video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.